So Hong Kong Open gold medalist Li Shifeng just defeated young generation crazy good player Alvi Farhan in straight 2 sets. Let's just dissect this match. So this is China Masters Day 2 round of 32. A crazy match between Li Shifeng and Alvi Farhan. 8-5 scores, 8 were Alvi Farhan and 5 were Li Shifeng. I was really looking for an upset today. Even if not upset, I was really looking for a third set when Alvi Farhan was leading. But suddenly everything changed and Li Shifeng got back in match and scores went to 10-8. Li Shifeng covered till 11-10 scores, and this Li Shifeng was attacking, a stable footwork, everything was good regarding Li Shifeng in this match. One thing that I want to talk about Li Shifeng is that you cannot give easy lifts to player like Li Shifeng. If you give easy lifts in middle court or even if in rear part of the court, player like Li Shifeng who is taller, they will use this lift and do crazy level of smashes, and that was prominent in this match. Scores were 14-12, and one thing that I noticed was Alvi Farhan was so good in anticipating on net. He was anticipating whenever Li Shifeng was trying to do some net play and everything. One shot when Li Shifeng was targeting the net, Alvi Farhan just anticipated that and tapped that and got that point. 15 all scores, and Alvi Farhan was doing one thing, that was flat shot. He was doing parallel gameplay and not giving lift to a taller player like Li Shifeng and who can attack crazy good smashes. His game plan is perfect for the player like Li Shifeng, and that's what Alvi Farhan was doing. But from that point 17-15, and now again Li Shifeng is on attack mode. Whenever he's getting chance, he's finishing the rally. Next is 18-15 scores, and this was the rally of the set. Craziest rally is not even Alvi Farhan was giving up on that rally. Li Shifeng was not even giving up, and one thing that I liked about this rally was both players were dominating this rally. But finally 21-16, and clearly it was visible that Li Shifeng was a better man in this first set. Starting off second set, 2-0 scores, 2 continuous errors from Alvi Farhan. Scores went to 4-1, and one thing that I noticed is that Alvi Farhan was not targeting the rear part of the court of Li Shifeng. He was not pushing Li Shifeng to back court. Whenever you push a player, no matter he is taller or shorter player, if you push your opponent in rear part of the court, backline part of the court, always your opponent will do some rallies and the rally will little bit slow down. But Alvi Farhan was forcing the shuttle in mid part of the court, and Li Shifeng was ready to attack those mid court lifts from Alvi Farhan. So now scores were like 5-1, 6-1, 7-1, 8-1, 9-1, 10-1 and 11-1. Half set was over and scores were 11-1. This was pure domination from Li Shifeng here. Finally, a crazy good cross match by Alvi Farhan, ending the series of point Li Shifeng was getting. So 2-11 was the scores. From 11-2 scores, score went to 13-2, 14-2, 14-3, 14-4 and 15-4. This match felt like Li Shifeng was literally overpowering Alvi Farhan. I'm not comparing Li Shifeng with Chen Long, but last time when I saw a player literally moving on court like water was Chen Long. The craziest footwork ever in badminton men's singles was Chen Long for me, and right now when Li Shifeng was moving on court, I was getting those vibes. Finally, a crazy good rally from Alvi Farhan, and he got one more point. Scores went to 5-50. Scores were 6-16, and one thing that I saw was Alvi Farhan was motivating himself because he knew that he is so much back in this set, and if he want to win this set, he has to motivate himself. Next, scores went to 17-6, 18-6 and 21-9, and finally scores were 21-16 and 21-9. Look, if I want to talk about Alvi Farhan is not an easy player. I have talked about him in my previous videos too. Alvi Farhan has good footwork, his speed is good, how he move in court is good, but Li Shifeng literally exposed his gameplay today. Li Shifeng was way overpowering in today's match, and he didn't even give chance to Alvi Farhan to get back in match too. starting of the match when 8-5 scores were there, I was thinking that maybe third set will be there, but man, Li Shifeng was way good today. So what are your views regarding this match? Just comment down below. See you in next video. Bye bye. As I have discussed about the scores 21-16 and 21-9 and Hong Kong Open win on gold for Li Shifeng and complete Chinese domination in Hong Kong Open finals. I have discussed about how China are dominating in badminton and proper every categories in this video. Click here